Once again, we have been talking about value, we have been talking about service, right? So from a service perspective, now we have gone into a concept called utility and warranty. To evaluate whether a service or service offering will facilitate the outcome desired by the consumers and therefore create value for them, the overall utility and warranty of the service should be assessed. Let's take any particular product, right? I normally use this by watch. Right? What is a utility of a watch? Like what's the basic purpose of a watch, right? So that's going to be and as I said, I can buy a watch. I can buy it for $10 or I can buy even for $10,000. The purpose remains the same, right? The basically watch we are using to see time. So what is the purpose? That's where we talk about fit for serve purpose. Utility is the functionality offered by a product or service to meet a particular need. Utility can be summarized as what the service does and can be used to determine whether a service is fit for purpose. To add utility, a service must either support the performance of the consumer or remove constraints from the consumers. Many services do both. Warranty is the assurance that the product or service will meet agreed requirements. Warranty can be summarized as how the service performs and can be used to determine whether the service is fit for use. So if you see here, warranty, utility, we are talking about fit for purpose, and warranty we are saying about fit for use. Right? Warranty often relates to the service level aligned with the needs of service consumer. This may be based on formal agreement or it may be the marketing message or brand image. Warranty typically addresses such as availability of a service, capacity, levels of security and continuity. A service may be said to provide acceptable assurance or warranty if the defined and agreed conditions are met. Both utility and warranty are essential for a service to facilitate its desired outcome and therefore help create value. Let's take a very simple example. Bank. Right? You are using an ATM card of a particular bank. Right? So, and we are using online banking. Let's try to understand from an online banking perspective what a utility and what a warranty is. And from an IT service, whenever we talk about warranty, the four key concepts which we look into it or we have to understand is availability of a service, capacity of a service, continuity of a service, and security of your service. Right? We want these four: availability, capacity, continuity, and security. Right? So when we talk about online banking, what is the utility of online banking? Right? So it helps to do online transaction. So basically whatever we go and do it in a bank, we will be able to. So the purpose is e-transaction. Right? I'm able to do certain transaction over electronically, and that's what the purpose is. I may not be able to do all the banking transactions through so there may be some need I have to go to a bank and get. But most of the transactions I'll be able to perform. Right? So the purpose is e-transaction. I'm able to do certain transaction. And we want to make sure it is fit for purpose. Now, what is a warranty you are expecting from an online banking? Obviously, nowadays, as it's online, we are talking about it's about security. Whatever I do online, is it secure? Right? What is the availability of a service? Like, can I use this service 24/7? So that's going to be the availability of a service which you are talking about. Then we are talking from a capacity perspective, right? How many people can log in at the same time? Is it going to be restricting me? Right? That's where the capacity part comes into. And continuity. If something goes wrong, right, with the network or how are we going to, what is the continuity measure which we have, due to which we will be able to use that particular service, right? So that's why, like, still we have banks, right? We don't have, like, all the banks, the tellers are not, if something goes wrong with an network or the technology, you can still go to a bank and you will be able to perform that, right? So that's where it comes. And utility in warranty helps you to understand the word value, right? Value is a combination of utility and warranty, which we, so you take any particular product or any particular service, if you are able to define these two terminologies in detail, you will be able to clearly go back to the customer and say that, see, we are delivering value. This is what the purpose is. I'm fulfilling your purpose. This is what is the warranty or assurance I'm giving from that, and I'm also able to achieve that, right? That's about utility and warranty.